Hello all YouTubers, this is Kyle Davis again with another video. I'm going to re-show you my classics titles. I have some new ones here as you see. And I got some extra ones right over there. Alright, so let's get started. Here's the 1984 VHS of Robin Hood. This was released December 6th, 1984. This tape opens up with the 1984 FBI warning screens, the 1984 Walt Disney Classics logo, and the start of the film. After the film ends, it has the Walt Disney and You promo. Print date on this tape is December 14th, 1985. Printed the day my cousin Kenny was born. Alright. Up next we got the 1985 VHS of Pinocchio, released June 16th, 1985. This tape opens up with the 1984 FBI warning screens, the sneak trailer for the Black Cauldron, the 1984 Walt Disney Classics logo, and the start of the film. Here's the tape with the print date of June 11th, 1985. Damn it. Alright, my apologies. Sometimes these tapes are hard to put back in their cases. Oh. The year that the film Robin Hood itself came out was 1973. The film Pinocchio itself came out in 1940. Alright, here's the 1985 VHS of Dumbo. The film itself was released in 1941, but this tape was released around December 1st or December 3rd, 1985. This tape opens up with the 1984 FBI warning screens, the 1983 Walt Disney Home Video logo, and the blue NBA screen, the dark Buena Vista logo, and the start of the film. After the film ends, it has the Walt Disney and You promo. Print date on this tape is hard to read, but it says September 3rd, 1985. Alright, up next we've got the 1986 VHS of Robin Hood. This was, sorry about the lighting, it's on and off. This was released October 14th, 1986, along with that Pinocchio and Sleeping Beauty tape that you're looking at there. Alright, this tape opens the same way as the 84 VHS. Here's the tape. Print date on this tape is December 11th, 1986. Oh. For the tapes I just showed now, I got all of those on eBay. Here's the 1986 VHS of Pinocchio. This, however, I got in a bag full of tapes that I got from my nephew. This is a reprint though. Here's the tape. Print date on this tape is May 7th, 1987. So it's a reprint. Alright, here's the 1986 VHS of Sleeping Beauty. The film itself is from 1959. I got this off eBay. This tape opens up with the dark red FBI warning screens. The video dealer announcement, the 1984 Walt Disney Classics logo, the Buena Vista logo, and the start of the movie. Print date, August 1st, 1986. Oh, the Pinocchio tape, I believe, has the dark red FBI warnings as well, along with the video dealer announcement and the 1984 Walt Disney Classics logo, which freezes for 10 seconds. Then it goes to the film. Alright, up next we got the 1987 VHS of Lady and the Tramp, released October 6, 1987. This tape opens up with the 1984 FBI screens, the 1984 Walt Disney Classics logo, and then I believe the Buena Vista logo on the start of the film. This tape has no print date, though, however, but it is a legitimate copy. This I got in a bag of tapes. However, for this copy right here, which I almost forgot to show, I got off eBay. Same label and also no print date. Here's what I believe is the 1988 VHS of The Sword and the Stone, released on October 4th, 1988, along with the Dumbo, Alice in Wonderland, and Cinderella tapes you see there. The reason why I say it's an 88 release is because it has the film camera on tripod sticker, and this tape opens up the 1984 FBI warning screens, the 1984 Walt Disney Classics logo on the start of the film. Tape, no print date. Hey, if it's the 88 release, I guess I found a rare copy. And that's something. Pardon me. Kinda hurt my back a little. Whatever. Here's the 1988 VHS of Dumbo. Oh, the film, The Sword and the Stone itself was released in 1963. Yeah, it's the 88 release. It's got the film camera and tripod sticker there. Here's the tape. Print date is the same as IMAX-Nation 1980s copy, July 16, 1988. For some strange reason, on both sides of the Classics diamond, the person who previously owned this wrote the word jam on one side and the word jaw on the other. However, this tape opens up with the 1984 FBI warning screens, the 1984 Walt Disney Classics logo on the start of the film. Alright, 2 more, and then I'll stop the video from here. Here's the 88 VHS of Alice in Wonderland. The film itself is from 1951. Tape. Print date is July 26th, 1991. This tape's a reprint. This tape opens up with the 1984 FBI warning screens, which is like, I guess it's called slideshow together, because they quickly jump to each other, and the Walt Disney Classics logo, which abruptly fades in and abruptly fades out in the start of the film. Here's the 1988 VHS of Cinderella. The film itself is from 1950. This is the first Walt Disney Classics tape to have the Sorcerer Mickey Classics logo, and the only tape from 1988 to have the 1988 Prototype Classics logo. I'll just note ahead of time, this tape has no print date. but here it is anyway. Alright, that's enough for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. This is Kyle Levis signing out.